to reach the door ahead. Thrusters can be used in short bursts or held down for continuous usage.
Düz ne var?
Please press the hollow button near the door to proceed. Good. Now navigate the environment using only your maneuvering thrusters.
Dayan.
Do not grab any surfaces during this test.
No good.
Thruster calibration at 50%.
Oh.
Reboot initiated.
Power attık.
Recalibrating thruster protocols. Try again.
Hello, motherfucker. Tupel, aizmirs. Kaut ko. Nu, būs viņai.
Calibration module complete. Module C11.
No, pēd.
Communication. You will now calibrate your communication system. When someone speaks to you, a reply notification may appear above your wrist. You may then respond by holding down the dialogue button on either hand and selecting a reply with your index finger. Hold down the dialogue button now. Input confirmed. Now hold down the dialogue button and select a reply.
Ko? Ko tu gribi no manīm? Ah, understood. I like this.
Understood.
Good. Continuing calibration. Often you will have a limited time to select a reply. In these cases, silence is considered a viable option. Do you understand?
No,
Acknowledged. I'm ready to proceed.
never.
Understood.
Es neredzu neko.
Continuing calibration. Now exit the activation pod and move into the room ahead. You can also initiate conversations at points of interest
But no,
throughout the
YouTube.
world. If you look at certain people or objects while you are close to them, their name will appear, and an icon will indicate that you can use the dialogue button. You may then hold down the dialogue button and select an option, just like a reply. Now start a conversation with the labor unit, and speak about the Fury transport model in this room. Please talk about the 2 points of interest in the room to continue.
A Mark I Fury transport, 1/48th scale.
Be advised, while real Fury transports can be used to
Kurā
travel to
dirsam
distant
viņš jābāž.
locations across the Kronos 2 station, I do not recommend attempting to ride this one.
Noted.
Please talk about the 2 points of interest in the room to continue.
Viņš palika. Es nevaru. Jā, ja viens tev redzētu. Paņemam telefonu vienkārši, iefaceīt un iešēro. Nevajag YouTube viņu. Es YouTube neizmantoju.
Es jau nevaru iešārēt to Facebookā, jo datorā tad jāievada savi tie.
Tu vienkārši ieeji. Nu labi. Es sapratu, jā.
Please talk about the 2 points of interest in the room to continue.
Ārprāts. Nezinu, ko viņi grib no maniem. Fury transport model. Šitā bija. Ko viņa grib no maniem, es nesaprotu.
Tur bota. Ar viņu kaut kas jārunā.
Please talk about the 2 points of interest in the room to continue.
Kaut kāds dialogs, vai?
Nu jā, no subject for dialogue. Tagad būs dialogs, ritīgais, bļā.
Apsties, kas tev putas, no tā.
O, beidzot ir.
Unit 42, what is your primary directive?
To assure the safety and well-being of Kronos 2 station personnel.
Kur grib? Secondary.
What is your secondary directive?
Preserving the integrity of Atlas Corporation property
Ko?
and equipment.
Tāpēc, ka
Communications
man nav
system
Wi-Fi
fully
pieslēgts.
calibrated. Would you like to proceed to the
Ah,
next
ja?
module?
I'm ready to proceed.
Acknowledged. Please stand by. Module A-131. Data scanner. Error. Calibration program failure. Stand by for reboot.
Ko? Failure?
Directors have been pushing to make fully automated deep space mining the company's top priority.
Nu nesaka, viss pa jaunam būs.
Perfect subject for our initial test runs.
This is crap. Jack? Sorry, I have to go. Kronos 2 out. Jack? What happened?
Izlaidīsi mani. Padla.
My calibration program crashed. I appear to be stuck in the activation pod.
That's odd. Your diagnostic program's never just flat out crashed before. It must have suspended the pod's release procedures.
In the event of activation pod failure, Titan Protocol recommends performing a complete power cycle of the pod, followed by a level 3 inspection of...
Danke.
You're set.
Oh, jā.
Listen, about my conversation with Command, how much did you overhear?
Oh! Ko tu gribi?
I heard enough to know I'm no longer going with you to Ceres.
Seems you've earned yourself a promotion. The directors want you to take over my duties as station commander. You'll be in charge.
That would
Jau
make
pat
this
pieskarties.
our last week together.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Look, they just hit me with this news a few minutes ago. I mean, command splitting us up, I never even considered it a
Ne,
possibility.
man ir abi divi.
I'm not entirely sure what to say. Except... I'm sorry, Jack.
Smash Monkey?
There's no need to apologize, Olivia. While
no.
the situation is unfortunate, it's not your fault.
Come on then. No sense putting it off. Let's get our last week started. Why don't you go activate the bridge while I pull the overnights?
Copy that. This model is meant to depict an S8 labor unit, is it not?
That's right. Why? Is something wrong with it?
It is highly inaccurate.
That's sort of the joke, Jack.
I fail to find the humor in erroneous proportions.
Of course you would.
Poliņā satrausies pa bašku. Tuk! Tā. Tā. Un zemesrieksi. Hello.
Did you throw that on purpose? Can I help you?
Tev negaršo, ko?
Do I have something on my face?
Nē.
Boo.
Nē, man vienalga.
Brīvdienu relaks un darbi.
Vai ne?
Izlas tams.
Yes, Jack?
You seem upset.
You're getting way too good at reading human responses, you know that.
Well, I have had a few years of practice.
Yeah. It shows.
Jū, nah tev. Ko viņa grib, es nesaprotu. Viņa kaut ko grib.
Did you say you wanted me to activate the bridge?
That I did. Towards the forward center console. Activation panel's just over there, at the forward console.
Bļā, gandrīz sanāca fingeri iztaisnot. Forši. Nezinu. Jā, es zinu. Es jau lasīju, bet es ne...
Did you say you wanted me to activate the bridge?
That I did. Towards the forward center console.
Tur, jā?
Ātrāk izies šito stūdus ārā, tiks ārpus šitā kuģi plevos, tur būs viņa latība.
Transitioning to daytime cycle.
I'm really going to miss this part. I'll get started on the morning checklist in a bit. Just give me a moment to soak in this view.
Take your time.
Tā kā Spidermans. Viņi grib no maniem atkal.
Command splitting us up. It bothers you.
I just thought you'd be coming with me, is all.
No assignment is ever permanent. I would think you'd know that better than anyone.
Well, that's certainly true.
It is entirely possible that we will work together again sometime in the future.
Maybe. Here's hoping.
Šis?
Jā. Tu viņu turi, bet pat kustību to.
Let's get started on that checklist.
You sure? There's no rush. It is
I'll
only
do it.
last week, after all.
Jū. Hehehe, ko smaidi.
Trust me, we've got plenty of time.
Es jau pagramstīju, viņi neļauj.
So, Jack, I suppose congratulations are in order
For what?
for your promotion.
There's really no need for that.
Come on now, it's a big
Nah.
deal. In a few days, you'll be Captain Jack. So, congratulations, Captain Jack.
What I mean is, as an Echo unit, I hold no official rank. So technically, I can't be promoted.
Right, well, that's too bad. Captain Jack has quite a ring to it.
Es viņu man atstūmu.
Also, you are the only person who calls me Jack. To everyone else, I am merely Echo 1.
Is that your way of saying you're going to miss me?
I have no...
What was that?
O, nu jausmas.
Jack, did you feel that?
Nu, nē, nejūt.
What the hell? Please tell me you can see that.
Ko tad? Kas man jāredz? Tā pudelīt lido prom. Nā.
Affirmative. I see it.
Any idea what it is?
I'm afraid not. There are no records of any such phenomenon in the Atlas Interplanetary Database. It is an anomaly.
What the... Jack, are you alright?
Bļāma, kājas pazud. Ā, nē, re, kur ir?
Jack?
Liv, it's possible that anomaly is not entirely stable.
You think?
Priority alert.
The hollow table. Something's wrong.
I'll investigate.
Viņi neļauj.
Hera, initiate broad spectrum scan. Focus on the following coordinates.
Wow. Kas tad tas tāds? Pa robotu te vēl viens močījās.
Hera, status report.
Multiple Tier 1 malfunctions detected.
Isolate and identify.
Acknowledged. Isolating. Awaiting input. Saturn Orbital Zone Beta. Orbital Mining Facility. Designation, Kronos 2.
Jā, tā skatos.
Central Mining Station. Malfunctions isolated.
That is a lot of
Eh,
rain.
Perhaps it's
so
not
look.
as bad as it looks.
Ground fault recorded in the cargo bay. Possible circuit overload. Reading marked temperature increase in the core containment chamber. Lockdown procedures in effect. Power failure reported in primary oxygen garden. Emergency failsafes triggered.
What, that's it? That's all we've got to go on?
Hera, can you give us an in-depth scan of each affected area?
Negative. Unable to establish
Yeah,
communication
negative.
with cube satellites.
Wait, we lost the
Please keep
CubeSats?
your hands and
How the
arms
hell
in the
did they-
ride at all times.
Forget it. Let's just have a look for ourselves. Where are you, you little bugger? Ah, here we are. Jack, could you do us a favor and scan this CubeSat?
I'll need to calibrate my scanner first. Stand by. It'll only be a moment.
Awaiting manual input for calibration.
Nav ne jausmas.
rokas, uz rokas tāds krustiņš rāda tā.
No, jā.
Ot uzspiedu. Otrā pusē. Nu jā, viņš tu vēlreiz skanīja.
Vo.
Tu, jā.
Module
Uz teksta bija
131. Data scanner.
Rādīs, kā pēc tam tu sūds varēs izmantot.
Your scanning tool allows you to collect data on anything in the environment. Please exit the pod to begin calibrating it. Please follow me to the disk spawner at the back of the room. Now activate your scanner by pressing the button on top of your hand. Both of your hands have this functionality. Good. Now aim the scanner at the I/O port on the disk spawner and hold the trigger to initiate a scan. Please scan the I/O port to continue. After scanning something, its name will appear next to your hand on the scanner's data tab. To see the results of your scan, grasp the tab and pull it away from your hand. Pull the data tab now. Excellent. Use the button on top of your hand to deactivate the scanner now. Please deactivate your scanner to proceed.
Iebet pa galvu tam. Tas laika rādīs, ko tas vēl. Tas pats. Noskanē galvu.
Good. To complete this module, gather scan data on
Nebija
5
jāielaiž
other
atpakaļ.
materials or objects. You must scan additional objects or materials to complete this calibration module. 4 scans remaining.
Tas ir no tās spēles, blē, Eho arēna.
Vai?
Paņem uz boltēvu. O,
Initiating human sarcasm. I thought we were friends, Echo 1.
es tu parasti nevaru.
3 scans remaining.
Tu kaut kas cits nebija?
You must scan additional objects or materials to complete this calibration module. 2 scans remaining.
Tev būs vēl ar lāzeri griežamais arī uz rokas. Tad viņš būs otrā pusē. Rokai. Viens ir ārpusē, otrs ir iekšpusē. Galvenai ir tā.
Šitā?
Ko viņi tev prasa vispār?
Es aizmirsu.
You must scan additional objects or materials to complete this calibration module.
Iebāzi iekšā.
Ko da?
Ķenē.
Viņa grib, lai es vēl kaut ko laikam skanēju.
Augšējā stūrī, kas tur bija? O,
Tas ir disks.
jā,
1 scan remaining.
Jā, viņas pieturēties pie viņas nevar. Huiņa.
You must scan additional objects or materials to complete this calibration module.
Тихо. Нахер. Только гриб нормально. Спецуны.
Calibration module complete. Please stand by.
All set?
Scanner fully calibrated.
Yeah.
Heads up. Give that CubeSat a scan. See if you can work out what's wrong with it.
Scan complete.
Right. Well, what's the story?
According to these readings, something was disrupting the CubeSat's ability to communicate with the rest of the sensor network.
Was?
My scanner appears to have reset the CubeSat's transmitters and restored the connection.
What?
Oh, well, problem solved. All you have to do is find and scan every last CubeSat we have scattered across the entire facility.
Sounds like fun.
Of course, it would to you. I'll send an objective to your own computer, but consider it low priority for now.
Objective received.
Right then, on to the real problems. What do you think? What's next?
Hera, status update on your scan of the anomaly.
Scan currently 3% complete.
3%? What's the problem?
The sensor network is attempting to perform a full spectrum scan of an unknown entity. It might take a while.
Lovely. Well, in the meantime, we've got 3 Tier 1 malfunctions that need our attention. What do you say we get started on those repairs?
Good idea.
I'll need a few minutes to pull today's command codes off my console. You can just keep yourself occupied till then, I'm sure.
Of course.
Okay. Naturado das, va? Es viņus guļam īstenībā, laikam esmu.
Ready to go?
Yes, let's get started.
Great.
Ārprāt.
Not the best way to start our last week. Don't believe we've ever seen this many malfunctions all at the same time.
We've also never had an unidentified spatial anomaly suddenly appear directly off our port bow.
It's a day of firsts,
Oh,
really.
Kubiks.
You do realize it's possible we just made a groundbreaking scientific discovery.
Well, let's not go writing our Nobel acceptance speeches just yet. Well, at least not until we're certain the station isn't going to fall apart.
An encrypted audio file. Curious. When the anomaly scrambled the CubeSat, it inadvertently connected them to a secure Atlas Corporation network. If I scan more of them, I may be able to crack the encryption.
Jā. Kaut ko laikam palaidām. Pokt. Kaut pie viņas dibana pieturēsimies.
Ah, what the...
Warning, unsecured cargo in the hold.
Yeah, that much I worked out. Can you tell me why we have unsecured cargo in the hold?
Negative.
Okay, well, we might want to look into that.
Все помни Vin.
All right, Jack. Looks like there's a lot to do this morning.
Any priority alerts?
Well, it'll be your station soon. What problem do you want to tackle first?
Send the data to my ARM computer. I'll have a look. I'm starting to crack the encryption. If I find more CubeSats, I should be able to save the completed audio file to my ARM computer. That will let me share any files I find with Liv once I've gathered enough information. I need to open my ARM computer.
Cargo.
I should check in with Liv before I start anything. Before I can do anything else, I need to slide open my ARM computer. Liv is expecting me to open my ARM computer before we get started. I need to open my ARM computer. Let's see.
Take a look at your objectives on your ARM computer and let me know which one you want to address first.
Oxygen garden container.
Let's investigate the temperature spike in core containment.
Okay, follow me.
Yo.
Careful! A personal space, Jack.
Find anything?
Nothing conclusive. Your body is radiation hardened.
Nemoj se sad diban.
I'll see what I can ascertain.
Hera, disable all containment safety protocols and unseal the hatch.
Acknowledged. Awaiting manual operation.
Head on in. I'll see you on the other side.
Ārpēc. Varēju pagrozīt. O, ir.
You'll need to seal yourself in before we can expose the cause, Jack.
Laikam nesanāk šitā. Es iespiedu jau. Tā, ko viņi grib?
Close the hatch so we can get started, Jack.
I should finish calibrating my radiation shield before we continue.
Acknowledged. Standing by.
Wow.
Module A, 251. Radiation shield.
Zajebām.
Your scanner can detect hazardous radiation fields capable of damaging you. Please activate your scanner and use it to assess the irradiated area ahead.
Nē, viss normāli. Bļāvēc.
Please activate your scanner and scan the irradiated zone in front of you. Your scanner places tracking points that display the area's radiation level. When you are ready to proceed, please exit the activation pod. Your radiation shield will protect you for a limited time. A shield meter is located on both
Kaut ko
wrists
redzēju.
below your arm computer.
Jā.
You can use this to monitor your shield levels. Now please use your scanner to find the least hazardous route through the room and reach the exit.
Savā Facebookā arī. Vēl. Nedari. Gar malām ej. Tev jātiek otrā pusē, šaktē.
Use your scanner to navigate the radiation field and make it to the other side.
Viss taisni pāri.
Kāpēc taisni?
Oh,
Higher levels of radiation will drain your shield faster. The radiation monitor on your wrist displays the radiation level of your
saprat, prikals.
Jā, aptuveni.
Your body will suffer irreparable damage.
Te ir ideja ar rokām jāstrādā ātri. Bet gar malām rekur. Bet ātri.
Shields at 95%. Use your scanner to navigate the radiation field and make it to the other side. You can draw energy from induction panels to replenish your radiation shield. This module will complete when your shield is fully recharged. Please pull the handle toward you to begin recharging. Calibration module complete. Please stand by.
Radiation shield fully operational.
Copy that.
Let's go.
Let's get started by opening the core enclosures. The
Sounds
code is
good.
5826.
I still need to locate the radiation source.
Access denied.
Wrong number, Jack. The code is 5826.
Authorization accepted. Warning. Radiological activity detected.
Well, that explains the temperature spike.
Emergency
At least one of the
disposal
fusion
conduit
cores is
online.
leaking radiation.
Your scanner should help you zero in on the source.
Neizdomā tuptiesīgais.
Jā.
Tagad izdomā staigāt, bišķi jāizmāja.
Tā, šitais ne. Tas arī ne. Kurš grib no manim nav nejāsma. Jūs kur?
Emergency disposal conduit online.
Nav nejāsmas.
Emergency disposal conduit online.
Augšā.
Shields at 95%.
Un šitajās te lūkās. Tev ir jāmeklē bojātais elements otrā pusē kaut kur. Skeneri, paņem ko skeneri. Un tad ir skeneri. Ideja ir
Fairly active. Not a bad starting point.
Jā, augšā.
Keep looking in that area.
Bojājumi.
Nice shot. I'd say that warrants a closer look. I'll activate the I/O port so you can scan it to open the enclosure.
Lielākais procents mums jāvēr vaļā. Kur ir tie paneļi? Skeneri izmanto, skeneri.
Enclosure unlocked.
You'll need to scan the individual cores to determine which is causing the problem.
Kolēģis otrs rūpes skeneri.
I should scan this to check for defects.
Oh, jā.
Redzi, te reku saunā ir. O, ir. Ņem to ručku reiku augšā. Un griez. Kaut kā jāgriezt. Apsties lejā paroli nav jāvada iekšā gadījumā. Palēc te paroli tieši jāievada un pēc tam atkal kaut ko reiz darīt. Ar šito te atstāja, lai viņš stāv tā te. Tāpēc, ka tev tā komponents turienes būs jāņem ārā. Šitajā sūdā jāiebāz. Skatie, rei, kur ir, ņem ārā. Un ātri pisies ar viņu uz leju. Nedabū ārā viņu.
Microfractures in the fuel assembly. Radiation at unsafe levels.
That could contaminate the entire fuel reserve. We'll need to jettison the core. To unlock it, enter 6102 at the central console.
Mhm.
Access denied.
Wrong code, Jack. Try 6102.
6-1, блядь, заебал.
Access denied.
Wrong code, Jack. Try 6102.
Core released.
Bring it to the disposal
Tu tur,
conduit
blē,
at the bottom of the
nopļurkstēt pa
chamber.
vietu, tāpēc nesapratu. Gribi, es tā ņem to kodolu, vai?
Once you open the conduit, you'll need to seat the core into the launch tube and use the lever to eject it. Keep an eye on your shield levels while you're in transit.
Fusion core marked for disposal. Stand by. Awaiting manual confirmation. Radioactive material jettisoned.
The area is still irradiated.
There has to be another damaged core. Check
Yeah.
the other enclosures.
I'll keep looking.
Not getting any warmer. Try scanning in another direction.
Tā vēl ir.
Andrej, gribēji būt bērnībā kosmonauts?
Ne. Ai.
Nav izdarīt, vai?
Tad aizdomu.
Shields at 30%.
Jau bija lejā pie durvīm.
Nav.
Kaut kur bija jādara, vai augšā, vai? Rekur. O, priekšā, redz augšā. Jau bija tur. O. Turi, kamēr būs pilns.
Es redzu.
O.
Dobra, vaļā.
Kāpēc mums zaļa nav? Paroli nav jāvada atkal.
Pokta. Skanē.
Paņem tu te. Kurens objektu uzspied. Dialogu paņem.
No. Kurenta objekta.
Vienu brīdi.
Emergency disposal conduit online. Shields at 95%.
Vienu divu gabalu ir. Viens bija otrā pusē jābūt. Tur, kur tev bija 38%, tur ir arī līdzīgi. Nē, te?
Jā. Taču man nevar vaļā.
Pat notēmē uz vestiem un paņem kurentu objektu dialogu. Tagad tu biji pie tā datora, tur dialogs parādījās. Varēja pajautāt nākošo opciju, kas jādara. O?
Remind me what to do next.
Use your scanner to find out which enclosure is the source of the radiation. Then open it by scanning its I/O port.
Otrais teica skenē. Viņi par tiem mazajiem portiem runāja. Apakšā.
A second hotspot. I'm activating the I/O port so you can check the enclosure.
Te visi ir sodīgās paules. Tam, kuram vislielākais procents, tas vēl neparā.
This core is similarly damaged.
Bloody hell. It has to go. Punch in 7641 at the central console to unlock it.
Atceries parolu?
Nē. Minēsim.
Access denied.
Wrong code, Jack. Try entering 7641. Same routine here. Run it to the disposal conduit and jettison the core.
Fusion core marked for disposal. Stand by. Awaiting manual confirmation. Radioactive material jettisoned.
Radiation levels returning to normal.
Thank God for that. Looks like we live to fight another day. Let's shut the enclosures so we can get you out of there. Re-enter the code in the center console. 5826.
5826. 5826. 26. Tev atpakaļ. 58, 26.
Core containment re-engaged.
You're looking a bit worse for wear. Maybe you should use your ARM computer to upload to another shell?
Initiating manual reboot.
Reboot initiated.
I'll meet you on the other side, by the hatch.
Ik mans kokons mētājās.
We should reseal the hatch before we move on, Jack.
Viņa priekšnosaka kontroli.
Nah. Skaņas jau labas.
Looking sharp, Jack. Did you get dolled up for me?
I know you like it when I look my best.
Such a gentleman.
Cargo samo.
Oof.
Jā,
Nice one. You got me good that time.
Standard Atlas Corporation cargo containers, magnetically secured.
Visi kā tu biji apmēram.
nav nejausmas.
Gan, ka tev tur vēl kaut kāds divšais
Chamber temperature is back within normal limits. Nice job in there, Jack.
Thank you.
Well, there's still the ground fault in the cargo bay and the power failure in the oxygen compartment.
Močām atpakaļ.
What's next on the agenda?
Jā.
Cargo beigņa.
Let's get the cargo bay squared away.
All right. One of the cargo banks must be malfunctioning. We probably blew a fuse. I'd start by checking the fuse compartment at each cargo bank. Hera, unlock them, please. Just don't pull any good fuses, or we'll have loads more cleanup to do.
Solar panels like these help provide power to the mining equipment across the facility. Standard practice for stations of this size.
Nav nejausmās. Kur ir?
Going somewhere?
Vai es dodos kaut kur?
Jack, I'm not here just to climb on. Off you go. Sorry, but I warned you.
Eiropas, tas uzmācās.
Vai ne? Un tu tupel.
Uztais mienekļi.
Careful. Catching a ride, are we?
Nē, būtu mūdu. Babena kāda.
Current looks stable. No problems here.
Keep looking. Something went wrong in here.
I think I've located the problem. This fuse is blown. We'll need a replacement.
Affirmative. Wait there, I'll bring you a new one.
Headshot! Pa galvu trāpīja.
This should do it.
Thank you.
Got you covered.
Es tu nedzu iekšā.
Power flow restored. Maglocks coming online.
Copy that. Go ahead and secure the cargo.
Strong contact from the maglocks. That's one down.
Jā, tagad padomā.
Tā izskatās. Bļāvēt.
Gribēju.
Vai ne? Netrāpīja. Nezinu, vienalga, pohumē. Ni.
Tev tur vēl divi gabali.
Es zinu, es redzēju. Gribēju dzīves aptīst, vari kurī.
Es tev uzreiz 3 gabalus paņēmu ar visiem 3 reizes.
Man vēl viens kaut kur ir.
Kaut kur šim pusē.
Piemēram, viņu pagaidām ņēra.
Ir aiz paneļiem.
Spēlējam?
Aizmurē. O, reizi ir.
Kur?
Aiz šitā paneļa.
Jau tā kastīte. Kargo. Krāva traucē. To.
Tiet var tēlot. I am a Superman!
Vien pazaudē.
Tu paši pazaudēsi.
Okt. Saimā.
Nākošais viežs būs labs tēs. Pieslēdz pie smadzenēm. Tieši ar datoru. Nav jāskatās kādu displeju. Vēl sajūtas tev izbaudīt īstās.
Pokt.
Tēlo Superman. Pirmā pasaules grēt uz Penstrīt.
Jā, mēs iesprūdām. Vēl ne. Tu laikam joko. Ir gan īstā. Bļā, viņš nepareiz.
Ar rokas tur uz ārā.
Just one more to go. Cargo secure.
Let's shut the system down to make sure this doesn't happen again.
I'll throw the lockdown lever.
Tikai
Nu.
neiedomājies tupties vēl.
Jā. Tā, šitais te jāparausta.
Lockdown engaged.
Thanks, Jack. I feel better already. Let's move on, shall we?
Jā, labi.
Power failure in the oxygen garden is all that's left. Follow me, Jack.
Varbūt var pietupties, bet neaizturies aiz vadu.
Iesprūd.
Looks like the power failure knocked out the door to the oxygen garden. I'll pull the manual release.
Tu to Laura nedod, lai šito dari.
And of course, the
Cik bieži var uzlikt spēlē kupri?
Jack, I think you're going to have to cut through.
I'll need to calibrate my reactive cutter first.
Right. Considering the power outage, let's also calibrate your entry light.
Module A, 901. Reactive cutter.
Tas to būtu padomājis, robotam skola.
Please exit the activation pod and proceed to the door ahead. Activate your reactive cutter by pressing the glowing touch point on the underside of your wrist.
Jā.
Highlighting cuttable surface. Use the reactive cutter to cut through the highlighted brackets.
Apakšā to zilo griezi.
Jā.
Please cut through the highlighted brackets to proceed. Cutter functionality test complete. Lift open the door to proceed.
Tev derēs. To aizlo.
Highlighting cuttable surface. Use your reactive cutter to cut out a portion of the highlighted panel. Once you have cut away enough of the panel, press the hollow button to complete this calibration module. Calibration module complete. Please stand by. Module H-144. Helmet visor.
Cik var?
You can open and close your helmet visor by pressing the button on the left side of your helmet with your index finger. Please open your helmet visor now. Press the button on the left side of your helmet to open your visor.
Varētu uztaisīt YouTube kanālu Gamers Stream un visu.
Saibā, viņi grib, lai es noņemu vai atveru ķiveru.
Ķiveri nemāk attaisīt.
Ja?
Rādītāji pirksti izstiep.
Press the button on the left side of your helmet.
Es spiedu arī.
Now please
Labi,
exit
roku.
the activation pod and proceed to the room ahead. You can activate your headlamp by pressing a button on the right side of your helmet. Once your headlamp is on, shine it on my location. Well done. I am moving to new coordinates in the next room. Find me and shine your headlamp on my location. Please proceed to the next room.
Why I can't show the middle finger? Es apmaldījies jau.
Excellent. Please press the button on the right side of your helmet to turn off the headlamp and complete the module. Calibration module complete.
Reactive cutter and headlamp calibrated successfully.
Copy that. Cut through the access panel so we can pull the door release handle. Excellent, follow me. Let's get started.
Whoa.
Hope you're not afraid of the dark. Can you use your headlamp to help me find the electrical grid maintenance panel?
Affirmative.
Izmantot man teiets uzreiz paskatīt.
Athena, bring up the next candidate, please.
Echo Program Candidate number 37. Lieutenant Rhodes, Olivia J.
Well, this one's
Nice
promising.
one.
Accepted
Got me
into
good
the
that
US
time.
Aerospace Academy at 16. Exemplary marks in engineering, geology, robotics.
Kas ir?
Elite stuff. All the versatility you could want in an
Incomplete circuit
astronaut.
detected. Probably a
You said
hardware
you
failure.
approached it for the bypass.
Perfect. Keep your light on it for a moment while I remove the cover.
I'm not interested in leaving the solar system like this. And a psych profile. She's right on the money.
Heads up, Jack.
Crying.
Coming
The
through.
interviewer got her to open up about her family. The younger brother, Jackson. You could tell they were Glaze. Probably had to look after him a lot with two scientists for parents. That's just what we need
Looks
to
like we've
go.
got some
Poor
fused
bile.
wiring.
She's perfect.
Status report?
The short caused a full system crash.
Rah!
Reset each of the environmental controls. Can you find the emergency junction while I sort out this mess?
Andrej,
No.
tu spēlēši to Dark Souls arī?
Yes, Jack?
Do you require assistance?
With this?
Bля, man apnika.
No, this shouldn't be a problem. In training, we had to do this in vacuum conditions. I'll take a few Tier 1 malfunctions any day. Let's get the junction online so we can start the diagnostics.
How are you feeling?
A little better now. I'm distracting myself by making a list of ways I can sneak you off to Ceres. So far, I'm down to hiding you in my luggage.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Well, I'd disassemble you first.
I stand by my previous statement.
Kaut ko nolūrēs mani.
What should I be doing right now?
See if you can restore power to the emergency junction, Jack.
Stūri power. Tev garlaicīgi? Varam mainīties.
I've reached the junction cover. Did you bring a spanner?
Just cut through the bolts. We can deal with the cleanup after we figure out what's wrong with the station.
Affirmative. Going hot. Electronic interface. I'll need to use my scanner to link up with the I/O port. Emergency power online.
The backup conduit only has enough juice to diagnose one system at a time. Go ahead and get started when you're ready.
Tagad pa kreisi kaut kur ej. Nē, apstāj. Kaut kur panelim jābūt. Šitam nē, tas nav tas. Kreisajā pusē kaut kur panelim jābūt. Rekur ir.
I'll need to cut the bolt off this cover, too. The alert must have shut down water flow to the hydroponic systems.
It's designed to seal the main reservoir in case of a breach.
Pumps jāpumpē.
We need to pump the handle to restore pressure to the plumbing.
zaļajā zonā bija jābūt. Ne, zaļajā. Vairāk gan nekos pa zaļajā.
Water flow restored.
Irrigation system within operating parameters.
Good. That should help keep the plants healthy. Use the junction to select another system.
Pagriez uz augšu, pa vidu. O, nē, ka to te pāēc. Kas tāds tagad, bet mēs jau.
The O2 mixture is off. I'll need to adjust the levels of atmospheric exchange.
Careful with that, Jack. One of us still has to breathe the air here for the next few days. The air composition needs to stay balanced, Jack.
Bioregenerative systems calibrated.
CO2 capture optimized for both plant and mammalian passengers.
Mammalian, huh? How flattering.
Apologies, Liv. I didn't mean to sound clinical.
Once I'm gone, you'll probably be able to shut down this part of the ring.
I think I'll keep it, actually, to add color.
Jack, you aren't starting to enjoy botany, are you?
Is that unusual?
Depends who you ask.
Nope.
That's 2 down. Let's tackle the last system.
The transformer can't form a complete circuit.
We probably need to realign the coils. Run a scan to confirm.
The coils have been damaged.
Shit. Unlock them so we can get a closer look.
Conversion coils unlocked.
As long as we can still form one complete row, we should be able to get the transformer back online.
Līdz galam, nē. Tā, lai tev tie spīdīgi ir vienā līnijā.
Power current stabilized.
Conversion process successful. Current strong.
Nice job. Once I finish replacing these wires, we should be able to get the lights on. Hera, verify all oxygen garden subsystems.
Subsystems within normal parameters.
Right, I'm about done here. Do you see the access panel near me?
I see the access panel.
Nie.
You'll need to wait and throw the main breaker on my mark. Got it?
Acknowledged. I will await your command before throwing the breaker. Removing utility cover. Please stand by.
I've got to pump the primer handle before you throw the breaker. Let me know when you're ready and I'll count us down.
On your command.
Acknowledged. Throw the switch in 3, 2, 1. I'm clear.
Oxygen garden operational. Environmental control systems restored.
That's one more system we don't have to worry about.
Hopefully it stays that way.
Don't jinx it, Jack. There's no wood to knock on around here. All right, that ought to do it. We're all set.
I believe I
Hey,
can fly,
Jack. High
motherfucker.
five. Mind pointing that somewhere else? Oh, fine. Be that way. Well, thanks for your help regardless.
That's what I'm here for.
And here I thought it was to keep me from going round the bend.
Leppa med Mante. Grubnummer.
Of course, I'm likely past the point of no return on
Net
that
hon
one
avspelet
already.
naken.
Captain Rhodes, full spectrum scan of the anomaly is complete.
All right, Hera. Push the results to the hollow table in the EVA staging area.
Acknowledged.
Come on, Jack. Let's go have a look at the results. Maybe we'll learn something useful about this anomaly of ours.
That does seem likely, considering we currently know nothing at all.
Suppose I can't argue with that.
Yes.
That guy's suppiness.
Gryzer, correct? What's something?
Jävlar. Hollow table.
Okay, Jack. Let's see what we have.
Hera, status report.
Status green. All systems nominal.
Well,
Добрый.
that's good news.
Кто тут грибы?
What about our
Бургангол.
anomaly? Where is it?
Hera, display the anomaly's current location.
Acknowledged.
Ah, there we go. Wait, hang on. Hera, is this image to scale?
Affirmative.
So the anomaly has increased in size.
Not a good sign. Let's get a closer look. Okay, let's see.
Curious.
I can't make head nor tail out of any of this data. What about you? It's the same for all the readings. Spectrometer, interferometer, LiDAR. All rubbish.
Rubbish?
Interference from the anomaly must be disrupting the transmission signal.
So, our sensor network is useless. What now?
I'll exit the station and investigate the anomaly up close.
Absolutely not.
If I use my scanner, I can bypass the sensor network. I'll be able to examine the data in real time.
We've seen what that thing can do to your systems. What if you get shut down out there?
I'm specifically designed for operation in hazardous environments. It only makes sense. Besides, we need to determine the nature of this anomaly. and I suggest we do so quickly.
Okay. Okay, well... No sense wasting any more time then. Let's get you into the airlock, sharpish.
Caution. Airlock opening.
If you're going out there, you'll need an EVA rig. There should be some inside the airlock. Just take one off the rack. You'll need to secure the rig to your back.
EVA rig secured. Initializing advanced movement systems. Stand by for calibration. Module M201. Primary boosters.
Whoa.
Your EVA pack allows you to boost forward in the direction you are looking. When you are ready, please exit the activation pod and use your EVA boost to reach the console ahead. Well done. Please press the hollow button to continue. Now boost to the end of the hall before the walls close in on you. Multiple boosts may be required. Reboot initiated. Boost to the end of the hall without touching the walls. Try stringing multiple boosts together if you are having trouble. Excellent. Module M116.
Spēlēt,
Braking thrusters.
Man redzēt, cik tāls esmu.
This module will calibrate your braking thrusters, which allow you to stop in place without grabbing any surface. Please exit the activation pod and proceed to the room ahead. There are 2 target zones in the next room. Please boost into one of the zones and use your braking thrusters to come to a full stop. Please boost into either zone and use your brake to come to a full stop. Success! Now, use your braking thrusters to stop inside target zone A. Calibration module complete. Please stand by.
EVA rig fully functional, ready to disembark.
Copy. Airlock controls unlocked. Pull down on the handle to close the inner door.
Yep.
Once the inner door is sealed, you're clear to cycle the airlock.
Inner bulkhead sealed.
Closed.
Caution. Airlock opening.
Nē. Ļāvēs.
I need to depressurize the airlock before I can exit. The controls should be just below the handle.
Inner bulkhead sealed.
Once the airlock is cycled, head outside and make your way to the anomaly. Get a scan if possible, but don't put yourself at any unnecessary risk.
Understood.
It kā nē.
I'm going back up to the bridge. I can keep a better eye on your status from there. Keep this comm channel open. Maintain constant contact.
Copy that.
Depressurization
Jack?
complete. Ready
Yes.
for EVA departure.
Be careful out there.
O. Tagad laist uz to lidaparātu lielo.
Exiting port side airlock.
Copy.
Augšā, jā.
There should be a Fury transport dock just outside the airlock. Should take you straight to the anomaly. You'll need to run a diagnostic check before you can take off.
Understood.
Panāri.
Čo tu nestrādā?
Viņam te aizmugurē augšā ir tas te
Strādā gan?
atjaunot to šitu dzīvību. Viņa dzīvība, bet
Prep for RCS thruster calibration. Please hold on to the railing for the duration of the test flight. Initiating RCS thruster test. In 3, 2, 1.
jāparauj. Turies. Ingrid.
RCS thruster check complete. Proceeding to primary thruster calibration. Reminder, please hold on to the railing. Igniting primary thrusters. In 3, 2, 1.
Uļāvens! Gadrīz izpiģināja ārā.
Fury transport calibration complete.
Liv, the Fury transport is set for flight.
Great. Coordinates have already been uploaded to the navcom.
Paņem to aktīvu.
Just touch the marked location
Select
on the
your
holomap and
destination.
you'll be on your way. I'll monitor you from the bridge. Good luck.
Izvēlēt galvu.
Pēc pieka kāds
I'm
kosmos.
underway. Distance to anomaly, 4,800 meters.
Copy that. I have a visual on your transport.
Vai kaut kādu figņu jādara.
3,500 meters. 2,000 meters.
Steady as she goes. Godspeed. Look at that thing. Just
Varētu
incredible.
palaisties vaļā.
Tu vari lēnām rāpties uz priekšu.
Jack!
The Fury is malfunctioning. I have no control. I'm drifting toward the anomaly.
Remote link's been severed. I can't reboot the transport.
Katrā ziņā es tev varu pateikt. Tu dabūsi beigt atpakaļ ātri. Uz lielo kuģi pusi.
Liv, I'm taking radiation damage.
Abort, Jack! Get out of there now! Just ditch the Fury! Go!
Beidz. Atpakaļ uz kuģi lido bez aparāta. Beidz.
Evacuating Fury.
Hurry, Jack! Get clear of that radiation!
Stand by.
Jack, the Fury has completely dropped off my scope. Total loss of signal. It's gone.
On approach, I noticed the anomaly was pulling surrounding debris into its center.
You think the anomaly's housing some kind of singularity?
That would be consistent with my observations, yes. Needless to say, I doubt we'll be seeing that Fury transport again.
Okay. Well, so much for scanning the anomaly up close.
Jā,
Nav maz tev palīdzības, ne?
jā. Varētu tā būt.
Reboot initiated.
I need to be more careful when operating in irradiated environments.
Jack. Jack, are you alright?
I'm here. I was able to transfer to a new shell.
Thank God for that. I think those disturbances might actually be electromagnetic pulses. You might not be able to scan the anomaly up close, but I think we can reconfigure a geological sensor to do the trick.
How so?
Well, if we can use it to read fluctuations in the magnetic field, we should be able to get a look inside. There's just several problems.
Go on.
I've got failures all over the facility. For this plan to work, we'll first need to clear up some problems in the container field, the primary dig site, and the processing line.
Send the details to my ARM computer.
Done. Let me know when you arrive at the sites.
Hobby. Container filled labs. Būs bišķiņ piepačakarējās. Paņem digging site.
Pietiek.
Paldies.
Jā.